Sanibonani bafethu ku-YouTube. I know sekudala ngigcinile ukuphosta. But ngize nenye update nje kaKarim Suleiman. Uzokhumbula ukuthi namhlanje kwiMadlanga Commission like lavela igama lakhe lokuthi uyabonakala eCape Town ezihambela kodwa kwiMadlanga Commission thi usesibhedlela uyagula akakwazi ukuvela. So ngithi mangiphinde ngibuye ngishaye nje nge-update so that wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, so that by the time ifika kwiMadlanga Commission kube ukuthi vele sesikhulumela phezu kwento ekudala siyiqalile. So omunye umuntu uzozibuza ukuthi ungubani uSuleiman Karim. So uSuleiman Karim is a member of the ANC and uyi-businessman, akayo politician in that sense because akarani for ama-position a-public, instead nje uyilungu le-ANC. So njengoba elilungu le-ANC ubeka i-friend or beka umuntu osebenzisana noKurt Matlala, that's why yonke lento imsondeza la. So iMadlanga Commission realized ukuthi kunemali ayithola from uKurt Matlala, so they want to know ukuthi kwakuyimali yani and yini inhloso yayo yonke la mali ukuthi ayithole from uKurt Matlala. Then number two, ezinye insolo ababhekane nazo is that wathatha ama-document akwa-South African Police Service abaluleke kakhulu, ama-document ongeke uwathole ephethwe noma ngangibani but yena wayewaphethe because kunama-documents atholakala ukuthi aphathwa umuntu one-clearance or umuntu olephezulu emaphoyiseni sorry, but yena bekawaphethe as umuntu ongekho ngisho emaphoyiseni. So umbuza ukuthi uwathatha lama document, and two nokuthi le information yakulama document bekangayigcini kuye nje kuphela but bekawandlulisa so that azokwazi ukuthi awonishe uMatlala about ama activities amaphoyisa, and futhi nokuthi amncedise ekuthenini angabanjwa kwizinto azenzayo ekusolakala ukuthi mhlambe zi-wrong. So i-question is that uwathathaphi lama document. So if ekhipha lo muntu omnikela ama-document, that means kukhona umuntu osemaphoyiseni ozophinde azithole senkingeni again because awukwazi ukuvela uthi waheka i-system yamaphoyisa or something because icala nalena. So in a way kuzomele gcine kube khona umuntu amkhiphayo emaphoyiseni ukuthi ungubani lo muntu omnikela ama-document because akasone, and if umchunu that means nomchunu uzosafarisha for yonke lento ukuthi unike umuntu ongayilona iphoyisa ama-document abalulekile. So lena I feel ukuthi i-case ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi afika azoziphendulela so that sikwazi ukuthi sithole lo muntu owamnika lama-document. And another thing asolwa ngayo ukuthi uye uKarim osebenzise ama-business connections akhe nama-political connection ukuncedisa uMatlala. So bafuna ukwazi-ke kwiMadlanga Commission ukuthi umazise kubani, inhloso yalokho bekuyini, nokuthi phela uKarim bekawumuntu othi let's say nje bahlele endaweni kunoMatlala uzofika abaye kulowo muntu bemi-introduce ukuthi lona usibanibani-ke wenza ntoni yonke lento le. So iMadlanga Commission ifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani la, what was the intention, because kuyabonakala ukuthi there was a relationship wrong la. Why would you introduce uMatlala emaphoyiseni yonke lento le? Kuya-understandeka ama-politicians because they live with ama-businessmen, but if uzoma-introduce emaphoyiseni, what is i-idea yaloo nto leyo? So and number four, enye into abayibona interesting ekumele azophendula ngayo indaba mabebuka i-records ama-bank statement ekhampani yakhe kuyasolakala ukuthi khona imali engathi yangena ngendlela engekho right. So kuyo yonke lento lena-ke manje bafuna ukuthi azazoziphendulela. So uke wenza before but wathola ukuthi sekumele aphinde abuye wabeka isizathu sokuthi unenkinga nenhliziyo, une-heart attack, so akakwazi ukuphinde avele. So iMadlanga Commission iya-understanda yamnika amalanga but-ke namhlanje sesizwa ukuthi utholakala ese-Cape Town-ke manje ebonakala phambi kwabantu. So yathi ukudiscusswa-ke leyo nto yonke leyo ukuthi kwenzakalani. So I'm going to put le video la so that uzibonele and then sophinde siqhubeke futhi after uyilalele bekudiscusswa, but in essence kule video kudiscusswa nje ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. So iMadlanga Commission ithi oqala izocela ama-video from le mall yonke because bekase-Woolworths then waya kwi-restaurant. So kuzocelwa ama-video from i-mall yonke outside nangaphakathi i-CCTV. Then after lapho kuzophinde futhi kubizwe udoctor wakhe, lo doctor odila naye, kucela ama-record asesibhedlela kubonakala ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani la azoziphendulela. Then after lapho-ke after le video sobe sesiyadiscussa ukuthi mina ngicabanga ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani after lapho, because I think as much as interesting le ndaba I feel like so mase sizwe iside lakhe sithole something different, not less ilindele.
Late in the afternoon yesterday, we received two different whistleblower reports, both confirming that Mr. Karim and an entourage had been seen yesterday going out for lunch at a shopping centre in the Western Cape. The two reports corroborated the same details. They seem to be independent of one another, and they've now been confirmed by eyewitnesses at that shopping centre, who we have independently contacted. So we now have it from multiple different sources that someone who seemed very much to be Mr. Karim arrived at the shopping center with an entourage, went into Woolworths before going off to have a late lunch at a restaurant in the shopping center. We've subpoenaed CCTV footage from the shopping center, and we expect to have it received, and we expect to have it thoroughly analyzed by midday tomorrow. For now, we have a concern that Mr. Karim may be taking liberties with this commission. And that concern is amplified by other whistleblower reports that we've received indicating that Mr. Karim has been seen at social gatherings in the Northwest over his period of ostensible incapacity. So we are going to issue a subpoena later today to the hospitals at which he's been receiving treatment to establish when he was admitted and when he was discharged, since he testified at the commission. We're also going to be issuing a subpoena to his doctor, who's based in Cape Town, to establish the dates on which he has seen Mr. Karim.
That uyilalele le video uyabona ukuthi vele bambambela emncane ngakhona, but ngiyafuna ukusho ukuthi if umuntu ongilalelayo kube khona into oyifundayo namhlanje, and lesson engifuna siphume nayo la is that kubalekile ukuthi masingalaleli iside lomuntu oyedwa, because okwamanje sisezwe iside leMadlanga Commission ukuthi no witness, because there are people abathi bambonile and abantu abawuthula abathi bambonile and abantu abangazani, so bambone ngeinkathi different and bakhuluma into eyi-one. So ukuthi bambonile ngiyabona ukuthi iqiniso, but I'm more interested ekutheni uzobe sathini yena mase efika kuMadlanga Commission kanjalo, but mina I suspect ukuthi kunezinto angazisho ezingenza sim-understande kwathina ukuthi yenza sense. Umzekelo, if angafika ethi beka right ukuthi angaya ngaphandle but not fit ukuthi angaya kwiMadlanga Commission, because kuyenzeka ukuthi uma ugula uzizwe ukuthi ingase ushaye umoya, and ukushaya umoya kusho ukuthi ima ngaphandle kwiyadi yakho, isho ukuthi phuma uyobona abantu so that ingqondo noko ibe fresh, because yona into encouragewa even nangabantu abafundele ezokuphilisa abantu ukuthi ukudibana nabantu kuyanceda. So that's why bekaye restaurant. It doesn't mean use right ngale ndlela ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi ayo testify, because kwiMadlanga Commission kuyahlalwa and kuhlalwa isikhathi eside kakhulu, so you can imagine ukuthi how does it feel ukuhlala lapha une heart attack and nale pressure, because kuyabona ngathi ezinye izinto zizomfaka enkingeni vele. So you can imagine mayezi testify if ngempela inhliziyo imphethe ke singazi ke phela. Number 2, into engicabanga ukuthi angayisha ngathi lento be approved vele, medically approved, not that kutheni angasho ukuthi udoctor wakho umadvisile ukuthi makabe khona into azenzayo so that azolulama, or ukuthi mhlambe even nelontuza yakhe nelanje yakhe was part of indlela yokuzilulamisa. So and nalento ukuthi angakwazi ukusho athi bekaphume nje isikhathi esincane, because egcineni mosaka ke esibhedlela ne, so angakwazi ukuthi aphuma ayoshaya umoya. Or enye into angayisha ngasho ukuthi i-medical certificate yakhe bingasho ukuthi ulele embhedeni, beyithi nje admitted, then iMadlanga Commissioner izange ibuze ukuthi uphume nini, so naye wabona makangasho until alinde iMadlanga Commission ikhulume nayo. So ngiyasuspect ukuthi ama-reasons angeza nawo lawo ekuthenini azidefende so that angangena enkingeni. But into engiyinotisayo futhi enye is that lawa kudlalwa ama-delaying tactics la, because I'm sure he was hoping ukuthi iMadlanga Commission izohlala izophela manje ngoJuly, because ngokomthetho bekumele biyaphela manje ngoJuly, but uPresident Ramaphosa ke through iMadlanga Commission isicelo sayo why extended to December. So I'm sure abonganda bezigulisa if bayazigulisa bebecabanga ukuthi by that time kuzobe kuse less and abantu bazokhohlwa, then they move on, but it seems like izinto zi-extendiwe futhi, so kukancane ukuthi kuphinde izinto zime, so zizophinde zikale futhi, and waiting for